Hello everyone, welcome back with the fifth puzzle in today's additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, September the 4th, 2020. And the fifth puzzle is a binary puzzle. Let me focus this binary puzzle in the middle. Yes, and this will be number 1, 4, 6, 7. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Then. Here. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then do I need to compare? No. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. We have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1's. We have 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have here 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's so in this row, so the rest are 1's. Then we have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. We have between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then I need to compare. Yes, need to compare. The question is which do we have here? Here, this column, and the third column, empty box. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1, empty box. 0 0 1 1. So I need to switch these two numbers. If I place a 1 here, then it will be identical columns, not allowed. So we have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Alright, finished in 4 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku in this additional. It will be a tectonic one, aka Suguru in Japanese. So see you later. Bye bye for now.